Alright guys, so I want to teach you how to create talking head video. Now many people have come to my DM to ask me, Mr. Craig, please make a tutorial on how to create a talking head video. So that is why I want to do that for my fans, my family, for all of you right here, because I love you guys. You get my point? So now I need to make you guys understand that to create a talking head video, it depends on how you record your video. If you are a fast speaker, guys, you may find it difficult to create it. I speak fast, understand? Now for me to achieve this talking head effect, I have to slow down. When I talk, I have to hold on a bit, break a while, then I continue. Let me just say, if you are a kind of you want to make a long speech, you want to talk very long, you get my point? You can just write it down, you can script it. Then when you read the first sentence, you can hold on a bit, understand? Then look at the camera and continue the other sentence. Then you break, then you read the third sentence, then you break, you read the fourth sentence, then you break, understand? Now if you apply all these things, this is what you will use to generate, to create that talking head effect in your video, understand? It's very simple. It's something that even I myself, I can even create it less than 1 minute, but I will have to make you guys understand, break it down so you understand. So this video, I don't want it to be very long. All I want you to do for me is to like this video, just like this video and share this video, you get my point? Comment if you like this video, just comment, you get my point? So I don't want to waste time, let's dive in for the tutorial.
Alright guys, so this is Capcut. So I just had to import the video right here, so I will show you guys how to edit the talking head video effect. You get my point? It's just very simple, like I said. So now here is the video. First thing you need to do is, if you were making this video where it was noisy, like people were making noise there, and you need to reduce noise or work on the noise, that's the first thing you should do. Now go tap on the video layer right here and go to reduce noise. Click on reduce noise and then reduce noise.
Guys, so I want to teach you how to
you get my point? So when you are done working with the noise, the sound, understand? So you come back to the beginning of the video. Now this is how I want the video to start. From this point where I want to say something, I will just adjust here, understand, leave it there.
Alright guys.
So now this is how the video is going to play.
Alright guys, so I want to teach you how to create talking head video.
Now at this point where I mentioned, alright guys, I want to teach you how to create talking head video. Now I will have to tap on the video layer right here, then I will tap on split. Now when I tap on split, I will allow the video to play again, or I will let it get to where I want to say something again, then I will still tap on split again. Now let me show you an example. Now at this point, before I make another sentence, I say another thing, I will have to time my mouth. You get my point? Just time my mouth, then I will tap on split, then I will delete this one, the middle part. So if I'm not mistaken, let's play the video. Now as you can even see, this other second clip here has a little delay in time before saying something, so you have to adjust it so that there will be no space. There is this particular popular content creator that does this, Saidaboj. You know Saidaboj, you get my point? That's what she do, understand? That's talking head effect.
Now many people have come to my DM to ask me.
You can see how it connects. Now it joins. So this is just it, you get my point? So we have to work on it to the end of this video clip. Then I will show you how to make it look better. You get my point? Because it's not just about splitting and then deleting, alone. You get my point? It's about you knowing what to do to make it interesting when people are watching. I don't know if you get my point.
People have come to my DM to ask me, Mr. Craig.
Now I just mentioned, people have come to my DM to ask me, Mr. Craig. At that point I have to tap on here and tap on split, then I'll play.
Please, man.
Then from here, you don't even give that time to say you are breathing. Understand? If you listen to Saidaboj, you see that when she's making content, when she's posting her videos, there is no space like breathing space. Everything goes like chain in chain. They go in chain. You get my point? So that's what we call talking head video. So from here, you split again and then you delete. If you don't want to, maybe if you split and it's too small for you to tap and delete, you can place 2 fingers on yours and expand it. Alright, so you can delete it now. So now when you are done deleting it, look at it.
Make a tutorial on how to.
Alright guys, so when you are done splitting and deleting those parts, understand, now you come back to the beginning of the video. Now each of the layer you splitted, you need to work on it, understand. Now see what I'm talking about here, like this.
Create talking head video.
Now at this point where you want to land video, you can add keyframe here. Just tap here, add keyframe right here, then move the video a bit. Understand? Let me just here.
Talking head video.
That video, maybe somewhere here, you can place 2 fingers on your screen, then you drag it, something like this, then you leave it. So when the video is playing, you're going to
teach you how to create talking head video. Now many people have gone to my day.
So you understand what I'm talking about? You get my point? So that is what you are going to be doing, but you don't have to do the zoom in or zoom out effect only. You can decide to use another animation. You can decide to go to animation. You can decide to make it from any angle. You get my point? Or if you have maybe a picture of something that you are talking about, you get my point, you can place the picture here. Now the essence of you making this talking head video is so that your viewers will not be focusing on one particular form of video, your position, you're standing in one place, nothing is shaking, nothing is moving. You get my point? That's the main essence of you creating this talking head video, so that it maybe another color, another thing will change. Understand? That will keep your audience watching the video. You get my point? Now aside these checks, like you can even go to this particular place where I wanted to shout Mr. Cray.
Ask me, Mr. Cray.
You see what I will do now? Now I will just go to, I will zoom from here.
Cray. Mr. Cray.
I will just zoom from here, tap on add keyframe, come here, then I will zoom out. You get my point? Then I will leave it right there. Now I will still come back here, go to effect. Now when I go to effect, I will go to video effect. You get my point? So allow it to load, make sure your data is on, you have network. Then you can tap here and search shakes or shake. Just click on it and allow it to search. You get my point? So when you have it like this, you can just click on this first one here, shake. You get my point? Just click on it, allow it to apply.
Hey, please make a tutorial on how to.
So click on OK, come back here. Now it's left for you to adjust it. Place your finger and adjust it so it to work only on that particular part you want it to work. Understand? It will be something like this.
Hey, please make a tutorial on how to.
You see something like that? It attracts people, it keeps people to watch your video. If you are the kind of content creator or let me say content creator that makes a video by maybe you talk, understand, you gossip, you are like Saidaboj, you are good to go with this kind of talking head video, because it will really help you. If you have videos or pictures of something, you can be adding them as an overlay. You get my point? So that is just it, guys. This is how you're going to do till you get to the end of the video. You get my point? Then your video will be outstanding. Then you can add your music. Guys, I believe you've learned something from this particular video, and this video deserves 5 million views. You get my point? So just like this video, like and share. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. So see you in our next video.